Okay, so welcome back and let's talk about Dragon Soul. Today we talk about meme tokens with reflection on Solana. So a few weeks ago this token will launch, okay, and did 40x the first day. I did video for these guys because the private sale, it was sold out in, I believe if I'm not mistaken, 4 minutes. And the public sale was sold out in less than 30 seconds. Okay, so again, check it there in the Telegram, but as I remember, that was the numbers because I was in. However, what's happened is they were going to launch, and then what's happened is Solana. Solana was sluggy and laggy and it was extremely slow. So these guys, they did a great decision and they say, okay, let's postpone for just a couple of days, but that couple of days become, I think, almost 10 days time because Solana, they were waiting for Solana to fix the problems. Otherwise, if they launch, you can never buy or sell the token in minutes. You need to spend many minutes in that time. However, they fixed the Solana and they launched the token. Solana was fixed. Now, let's talk about what is Dragon Soul and what's the hot updates today, what I'm doing this video. So first thing first, make sure you understand nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. This is crypto. You can lose everything. Okay, let's go back to the video. Now, we all love meme tokens, we all like, but this is meme tokens with reflection. So basically you buy, you hold, and you earn tokens. What's mean they are taxes, so make sure you understand that. So there are a couple of taxes. There are 7.7 billion supply, buy and sell tax 8%. So there you go, all 5.5% from that 8% tax, they're going for the holder. So you're getting reflection in Sol. Let me give you the updates what they have just today. So this is crazy, check this out. The updates what they have today, it's also they partnership with some project. What's coming, it was a pre-sale, and if you want to get into the pre-sale, it's called a fire token. You can go there and basically you can go there and you can get a whitelisted if you hold Dragon Soul token. So if you're holding the token Dragon Soul, you have few benefits. Also by having the NFT, they have couple of few NFTs, you're going to have a lot of different benefits. Okay, so let me just go down. By the way, Tony, happy birthday. I delay a little bit, he is one of the main guy. Happy birthday to you. Okay, now wish you all the best, buddy. Now listen, so let's go and check. So they bringing a Chinese army, all right? That's what they say. Oh, no, I'm talking about army of crypto, all right? So crypto. Now, so Seven is a great guy. He is Asian. He is part of the team, and there we go. You can see that they pay already a group, and it's already killed 1-0. Okay, when they promote this one, is blow up the price. So if you go down here, you will see that they're going to do more promotion, and this was just announced just a couple of days ago. Okay, and there we go, they're going to have 3 different Chinese group, and you never know how and good this token will be. Why I'm doing this video, because there are a few things I want to mention. Okay, so they had a private sale on fire, it's live. I'm not sure if it's still live or not, I don't know, you go and check that out. I didn't get in, but this is the biggest thing I want to mention with you. So check this out. So we're excited to announce some burning mechanism. Check this out. If the market cap hit 200,000 market cap, okay, they're going to burn 0.5 of the supply. If the market cap hit only 500,000, 1.5 of the supply. So if the market, every few hundred thousand, when the market cap going to hit, they're going to burn the supply. Isn't that crazy? That's the craziest thing ever. So if this token hit only 5 million market cap, they're going to burn 272 million of the tokens, or around 3.5 of the supply. Well, maybe doesn't sound a lot, but that's a lot. Okay, so they give you example. If you own 1% of the supply from 77.7 Dragon Soul, if they burn, let's say Dragon Soul reach 5 million, okay, and they're going to burn 10%. So okay, let me tell you, so this is so if they reach 5 million, here says 3.5, but if you combine all of it, it's coming 10%. So here they're going to burn 0.5. Then when they hit 500,000 market cap, they're going to burn additional 1.5% here, additional 2% here, 2.5 here, 3.5% of the supply. So overall, only they hit 5 million, what is around 20x from now, they going to maybe 25x, they're going to burn around 10% of the supply, what is crazy. So if you hold, let's say 1% of the total supply, you're going to have more than that. But what's the good stuff here? You can see this was just announced just right now. Actually, they like on the 25th, and that's today when I'm doing this video, that they are on Aave.ai, and this is the Chinese DEX tool. Okay, I didn't know that, so I went and checked, and here you will see this is Aave.ai. You copy paste the address here and you will see, and the price, this on 4 hours chart, by the way, and the price went up around 10%, by the way, what's pretty nice. Now let me show you something. So why oh, this is 15 minutes. Let me just go to mine. Sorry, I like DEX too, I'm used to it. So this is on 4 hours chart. Okay, so check this out. So the price when launched was just few days ago, like just a week ago. Okay, and the price was 00124012, shoot up all the way. I think went up here, but let's be more realistic, shoot up here for a second to 5.6, but shoot up here at around 3.9, and I think shoot up right there around 4x time just for like few minutes, maybe a couple of hours, and then drop down, you know, next day after a couple of days to 4015. So we are a little bit above the listing price, went down to went up to 2.5, and now this is for me consolidation period. Again, nothing here is financial advice, do whatever you want, but if this going to all this Chinese community in the next couple of days, maybe today, maybe the next couple of days, I don't be surprised if this hit new all-time high, and especially with the burning mechanism, this can bring the token up. Again, you never know how the meme token is going to do, especially what now we are doing on Solana or on Base. If just some group bring this up, do you know what's going to happen? Everybody going to start jumping. Again, nothing here is financial advice. I have my bag, I'm ready. If this dip down a little bit, I'll just get a little bit more, I'll just DCA just in case. You never know what is going to happen. Again, that's about it. They have all, just follow them in their Telegram, in all their social media, and also their Twitter, because also they have any updates, wherever they have updates, they're going to list them out there. Now, thank you so much. If you want to chat with me, talk to me, make sure you join my free Telegram group. I'm almost always there. Thank you, God bless all of you, and see you in the next one.